I'm going to demonstrate cracking the WEP protocol that I discussed in my presentation. First, I want to see what wireless interfaces I have. I have one. I need to start this wireless interface in a monitoring or a promiscuous mode. This will allow us to capture traffic and to send traffic to the access point. As you can see, my interface has been started in monitoring mode. Now what I need to do is I need to kill these processes that are running right here. Processes are killed. So now what I need to do is I need to check and see what wireless networks. I need to scan for wireless networks in my area. So as you can see, it's finding wireless networks in the area. And this is the broadcast service set identifier, basically the MAC address of the access point. Here is some data. This is the amount of data traffic running through it. Here's the channel that the access point is running on. And here's the encryption that's being used in the cipher. And basically here's the extended service set identifier as well, the name. In this particular case, we're going to use this particular information. So I want to copy this right here. I'm going to log on to this access point that we selected for our demonstration. That's C for the channel. We're running on channel 6 for that particular access point. W, and we're going to create a write file. So dash W tells it to dump this information out to this file, and you choose the BSSID, the access point, which is this right here, and give it the monitoring interface. So as you can see, I am connected to the access point. Here's the access point, and here's my station MAC address. So I'm connected. I'm generating some traffic to it. Next thing I want to do is I want to associate to the access point. And basically I'm going to be faking the association. So the -1 means fake association. And there's A, which is the MAC address of the access point, or the BSSID. Now I'm trying to attempt to associate with the access point. So as you can see, my association is successful, right? Good. The next thing I want to do is I want to start generating some traffic in order to capture the key that's being passed back and forth. These are called initialization vectors. You need enough of those in order to successfully crack the key. And how we're going to do that is we're going to perform an ARP replay attack. So as you can see, it's generating traffic. You see right here, about 100. It's just ramping up. So if we go back to the particular access point, you see right here the data. I'm generating a bunch of traffic to this access point now, which is what I want. And as you can see, the data again. Now we're ready to perform our attempt to crack the key. And how we do this is with a similar command. Now use aircrack ng and the demo file. And then, so we run the file. So aircrack ng in the right file that we chose in the beginning. And as you can see, it found enough initialization vectors in order to crack the key. Here's the key. Key found. Decrypted correctly. 100%. So basically I could take this key and put it into the challenge rectangle window when I want to connect to an access point, this particular access point. When it challenges me, I just put this key in there and that's it. I don't have to convert it or anything. Thanks for watching.